Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Binance application on Android. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to download Binance application on your Android, first, check if you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you're connected, go to your Play Store. In the search box that appears at the very top of the screen, type in Binance. Once you make your search, you'll be able to see the application displayed at the very top on the next page. Tap on the app in order to view further information about it. To quickly install the application or download it on your Android device, tap the Install button. Your app installation process has begun. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange, which is the largest exchange in the world in terms of daily trading volume. It is designed for reviewing data and trading at Binance Exchange from your Windows, your mobile devices, whether it is your iPhone or your Android. You'll need to wait until the application gets downloaded on your Android device. It'll only take a couple of minutes, depending upon your internet speed. Once the application gets downloaded and is ready for use, you'll be able to see an Open button popping up in green. Tap on Open to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Binance application for your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.